Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open Youtheory Collagen. First, grab your Youtheory Collagen bottle and locate the child-resistant cap. This cap is designed for safety, so it requires a specific technique. Press down firmly on the cap with one hand, applying steady pressure. While pressing down, use your other hand to twist the cap counterclockwise. You should feel it disengage and then unscrew easily. Once the cap is off, you will notice a protective foil seal covering the opening of the bottle. This seal ensures the freshness and integrity of your collagen. Look for a small tab or an edge on the foil. Carefully lift this tab and slowly peel the entire seal away from the bottle opening. Be gentle to avoid tearing the seal into small pieces. Now that your bottle is open and the seal is removed, you are ready to dispense your Youtheory Collagen. If you have tablets, simply tip the bottle and pour the recommended serving, usually 6 tablets, directly into your hand. If you have the powder form, use a clean, dry scoop to measure out your desired serving, typically 1 scoop, into your beverage or food. After you have taken your collagen, it is important to store it correctly to maintain its quality. Make sure to replace the child-resistant cap firmly, pressing down and twisting clockwise until it clicks securely. Store your bottle in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat. This helps preserve the potency and extends the shelf life of your Youtheory Collagen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.